Did you know gardening is not only a great way to grow fresh produce, but also benefits your physical and mental health? Well, let's be real, you probably did, but it is definitely something people grow to enjoy, especially since it reduces stress levels, improves mood, and increases your physical activity. Gardening can be for anybody. I'm talking about moms and dads with kids who are having a meltdown because their strawberry has too many seeds, or teenagers touching grass, or kids having that meltdown about that poor strawberry. Whoever you are, you may benefit from gardening to de-stress and ingest some healthy fruits and vegetables while you live a happier and healthier lifestyle. Gardening can be really relaxing because, for the most part, nature is just a naturally peaceful environment, particularly for nature lovers and people who find that love through gardening. And honestly, it can just be really satisfying to plant something. I mean, you plant it, you watch it grow into a mature plant, you eat it. If it's edible, please don't eat your grandma's precious petunia flowers. Or even sell it and know that you did that and you know where it came from. I know, they just grow up so fast. You feel proud, kind of like they graduated and got their diploma. But apart from the ways that a garden can help improve your mood and help you relax, there's also a lot of ways that it can physically benefit you too. For one, preparing and tending to gardens keeps your body moving, and man, you get one heck of an arm workout. Using various tools, you can plant things like this plant. And about that arm workout, you really have to dig in there to plant the plant, especially if it's a seed or an already started plant. Here with me I have a special guest. She's an aloe vera plant, and I'm sure you heard of aloe vera. It can be in sunburn relief gels. It's been in drinks, and there's a lot of health benefits to it. And today she's going to help me tell you how plants can benefit you dietary-wise. Share your wisdom with us, aloe vera. Vegetables are low in calories and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, while fruit is also a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Both help to keep a balanced diet and a good snack. By now, I'm sure you've heard the same speech from multiple points of view. Your parents, your teachers, and now me about how good it is for you and your body. But we all speak the truth. And hey, I am way more likely to eat something that I grew from my own garden. It is all part of the experience. Maybe I told you something you didn't know, or maybe you've heard this all before, but even so, I encourage you to try it. With friends you already have, friends that you find through gardening, whether those are people or vegetation, with a little time and practice, even those who have zero skill of planting, or just caring for plants. I mean, we all have that ant that kills a plant if they look at it wrong. Gardening can give people a little more pep in their step. This project may have started as curiosity, then a hobby, but maybe it could be part of your routine.